Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we check the accessibility in Microsoft Excel. So for that, we have this worksheet for an example. So to do that, just click on this file followed by this info and followed by check for issue. This is the second option after this protect worksheet workbook, and then just click on that. And the second option you have check accessibility. Just left click on that, and just after clicking, a window pops out from right of your screen, guys, where you have the list of errors that you can change. For example, this is the merging of cell, where you merge the cell, the hard to read text contrast. Okay, so these are the basically hard to read contrast B1, C1 and A1. So what we would do is we'll just fix it. So let's close it. We know what to change here. We will just select it. Let's suppose I'm changing this font, its color, and let's check it again, guys. Do the same thing, click on info, check for issue, check accessibility, and now as you can see in this section of hard to read text contrast, there's no more that available. Okay, so this was check accessibility, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. That's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.